my beauty ladies. How are all my beautiful ladies doing? I hope you ladies are doing great, and I hope you ladies are doing awesome. Okay, ladies. Okay, we are in my kitchen, and I want to show you guys how I do my home glowing skincare routine, natural glowing skincare routine. How I do that, okay? There are a few things that I put into consideration, or that I do when I am doing my facial skincare routine. Okay, so first important thing is you have to have a lemon, a whole lemon. If you don't have a lemon, the whole lemon, you can use a lemon juice. It's the same thing, it's the same juice. But what I like to do is I like to buy a lemon juice that's 100% lemon juice. I like to buy that because that's 100%. If you can't get 100% out of this, you can get 100% out of this. Okay, so that's what I like to do. First ingredient, most important ingredient is lemon. You need lemon, okay, in order for it to help you get rid of those. You see, this few days my 4-year-old, he loved giving mommy a kiss, and he woke up in the morning with his saliva mouth, and he gave me a kiss, and right there, right, as you guys can see right there. So now I got a blemish right here, and I'm trying to get rid of it. Okay, so we need a lemon, and then second most important ingredient is honey, because you're going to need the honey to stick the ingredient together for you to be able to put on your face. And the reason why also honey is good is honey has some very good quality for face. Okay, honey is very good for face. Okay, so we're going to need honey. You definitely need honey. Okay, all right, and then our second ingredient, sugar. You are going to need sugar. Sometimes I use sugar, sometimes I use salt. Those two things I alternate. If I don't use salt, I'll use sugar. If I don't use sugar, I'll use salt. Whatever my hand touch, that's what I will use. The reason why we are using salt or sugar is to help exfoliate the face, to get rid of the dead skin and stuff like that. So that's why I use either salt or sugar. Mostly I like to use sea salt, okay, because the roughness is going to get rid of the dead skin and all that good stuff. All right, this one that I'm about to show you guys is optional. You do not have to put it there if you don't have it, but I like to put in there a green tea. In this one, I happen to have Lipton tea. You don't have to use Lipton tea, you don't have to use green tea, but the reason I like to use green tea is because it kind of like sucks in my pores. It's gonna give me that tightening that I need, or that youthful looking skin that I want. That's why I use green tea, because green tea is like coffee. It's kind of like tightening your face, and it's kind of like give you that young youthful skin that you are looking for, if that makes sense. All right, so now let's get into prepping the ingredients. Okay. I like to squeeze the lemon in here. Now first we're gonna put a 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then we're gonna put if you want, you can put 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey. Oop, I can't even see what I'm doing. You can, okay, you can do that if you want to, but you see, usually when I'm doing my face scrub, I really don't measure it. I won't lie. I eyeball my honey. I'm gonna finish. I eyeball it. That's all I do. I make sure. Okay, and then now my hand is very sticky. Then I'm gonna squeeze my lemon in there. The lemon is going to brighten our skin. It's going to brighten our skin, and the honey is going to is going to repair, give us that. Okay, just like that, as you can see. And then the last option that I told you guys, and then I'm gonna open a tea bag. Okay, usually what I do is I use the tea bag when I'm done drinking tea. Okay, when I'm done having tea, then I use the tea bag. There's a C in here. That's perfectly fine. I think I may, let me feel it. Let me feel the texture. Okay, so like I said, I always like to use sea salt because sea salt is a little more rough than regular salt, than the fine sugar. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just gonna add some of my cooking salt in it, because I am not feeling that roughness that I'm looking for, because I want it to help me get rid of my dead skin on my face. So I'm just gonna add salt. Okay. And the thing I love about this homemade natural growth is not dangerous. It does not have any chemical in it. Let's say if it accidentally goes in your mouth, you do not have to worry about swallowing chemical, you know, because these are all home products that you eat every single day. If you cook, you use salt every day. If you drink tea, you use sugar every day. You use lemon for cooking, honey, and all that good stuff. All right, now we're going to try to apply it on our face. All right, before you put this mask that we just made, all right, before you put it on, make sure your face is absolutely clean and it's not greasy. I think my face is kind of oily, if you can see right. You see right here, that's oily. So look at my palm. I just touched my face. That's really oily. So we want a clean canvas, very, very clean. Okay, so I'll be right back. Let me go clean my face. Okay, my face is clean. Now let's get going. I like to dig for the salt. Oh my god, it smells so good, lady. I always like to go for the salt. And when you're doing it, when you're rubbing this into your skin, I want to tell you, be very gentle with your skin, because you don't want to like make it very rough and kind of like hurry up your skin. The next challenge that we are going to do is my lips. You see how like my lips is kind of dark here? That's the next one I'm going to work on, to make my lip pink like this one, like the inner lip, not the outer lip. Okay, so when I'm doing that, I always like to focus on my cheeks, like here, so like so, and then I kind of put some here. The only thing I would say is when I'm doing this mask that I don't like is because it gets so sticky, like very sticky, like sticky. That's the only thing I would say, but other than that, I love it. Sometimes I can even lick it. Alright, that's the beauty of using a home product, you know. That's the beauty of it. You can eat it, you can lick it. So I know, stop it, very stop it. You see, I need to stop. See, that's why so now the remaining here, I'm gonna go get a container and put it in here. So the way I exfoliate my face and use this home product, oh, I can feel the burn. So I do it like once a week. I like to do that once a week, or sometimes I like to do it twice a week. It depends. If I feel like my face need a lift, then I would do it like twice a week, or once a week, or once every 2 weeks, because I have other products that I rotate. Okay, when it comes to my face, I am very consistent and very details and on schedule when it comes to my skincare, because excuse me, don't we want to look pretty? So anyway, I'm gonna put this in a container and we'll wash it off later. I usually let this to sit about, sometimes I lost track of time, sometimes I let it sit about an hour or 30 minutes, because whenever I put it on, I start to do my regular stuff in the house, and then in the process I usually forget that I have this on my face. But when I'm being professional or paying attention, I like to let it sit there for 30 minutes. Okay, so I'll put this in a container and I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. I need to stop leaking this. Come on now. Okay, I just finally got out of the shower, so now I'm gonna go in with the last prep for my face. As you guys can see, like seriously, doesn't that look so clean, like fresh and clean? All right, so I'm gonna go in with my my face toner, pores perfecting toner, and then I'm gonna use my cotton bud to go with it. So let me tell you guys what I do when it comes to, once I get done like exfoliating my face and taking care of my face, there's two things I always do. I like to go in with my cleanser for pores, oil eliminations, with this one. Okay, I love this. This is almost finished. This is by Neutrogena and almost finished, y'all. I am so in love. So I like to clean my face with it first. Make sure there's no left behind. Ooh, it stings. If you are a sensitive person, your skin is very, very sensitive, please don't use this. Okay, it stings, it burns, but I love it. That means it's killing the bacteria, making sure there's no more bacteria left in my face. Okay, I love it. Ooh, yes. And then I like to go down my neck. All right, see, and I wash my face. I literally scrub my face and there's still dirt there. And then after that, I'm just gonna let it sit in for a little bit and then let it do its magic. And then I'm gonna go in with my face toner. Okay, nice and soak. And then I love to scrub this. All right, now this is still clean. When I'm done doing this, what I do is I let my face sit here for however long, and then I go and lotion the rest of my body. And then when I'm done lotioning the rest of my body, then I come back to pay attention to my face. So I'll be back when I'm done lotioning the rest of my body. Okay, now I'm back and I'm done lotioning the rest of my body, right? Then I go in with my favorite hydration cream in the whole universe, L, right there. Okay, I love this product. This product is so moisturizing. There's two steps I always do. First, I go in with my elf hydration moisturizer, right? Ooh, see? My face is so moisturized. All right. Ooh, I think I rubbed up. Ah. Yeah, it went in my eye. And then after that, I go in with my Tropical Clear papaya and coconut cream. All right, this is my body lotion or cream. Okay, and then I go in with that. I just get a little bit of it like this. And then, so whenever I do the cream, I like to go behind my ears. And my hair is showing. I have a very oily skin, so I don't like to put a lot of oil on my skin, because if I do, trust me, give me about 30 minutes, y'all, I'll be looking like the when I got married and I'm trying to file a divorce. And then last but not the least, I like to go in with my serum. This is the new thing I decided to add into my skincare routine. I bought this from my BFF. She has a boutique. She sells beauty products. She sells clothes. She sells shoes. She sells purses. So I am going to ask her for her link so I can link it down below, okay? She's my co-worker. We work together. So this is papaya and carrot serum, right? So then I like to add my serum to it. This got 100% collagen in it, so that's what I'm doing. And this is what the bottle looks like. So the serum, this serum, I just purchased it from her about 2 days ago. So I just decided to add it to my, you know, anything that has collagen in it, that's me, okay? Anything that have collagens, girl, you're speaking my language, okay? I don't want to, you know, I love what the Nigerian people say, who don't like better things, right? The Nigerian people say it way better than anybody else can say it, who don't like better things. Everybody like better things, right? So who wants to get old? Nobody. So I like to focus here. Ooh, I'm wasting my stuff. You see that? You know, one thing about me, I never forget my neck. I feel like my head and my neck, they are attached together. So see the glow? See? Alright, this is the end of the video. I hope you love my natural skincare routine. Even though I end up adding one more thing that is not natural, but